Hello everyone, and I'm back again with another video. Now today's video is going to be the third review of the course that I've taken in the past 2 months. Okay, this course is going to be the Google course, being fundamentals of digital marketing, and I found this course to be very helpful. Now what is digital marketing? Digital marketing, it's literally in the name. Now I'm going to read the description of it because it's more in depth than where I could put it. It's to learn the fundamentals of digital marketing and help grow your business or career. Now, of course, in life, no matter what you want, no matter what you do, you never want to stay at a static, base. You never want to stay the same. You always want to kind of grow. You always want to kind of, find something to elevate you, whether it's in your business, it's yourself, it's your health, your career, whatever it could be. You always want to find a way. And of course, this is only related to your business and your career. Being able to elevate yourself, that's a whole other topic about productivity and about just self-development. But today is going to be about this course. Okay, this course was very quick in terms of time being relative, in the sense that it's 40 hours, but you can break up to do 2 hours and 20 days or whatever. Or how many hours you can do. It is 40 hours. It is free of charge as well, and it's beginner level, and it has 26 modules, as you can see on your screen right now. Okay, now what I genuinely think about this course, I think this course is very helpful to people that are just starting out their business and they want to learn how to speak to customers, learn how to communicate with customers, learn how to receive feedback in a well-mannered place. Because sometimes people, the feedback you're gonna get is gonna be harsh. It may even be a little bit over the top. They may even try and sabotage you and say the product that you gave them was faulty, when even you checked it when you sent it out and it's completely fine. And they may try and sabotage. And obviously there's always ways to deal with it, but the first way that I've learned from this course is always to keep a cool and calm demeanor, so that you never cause yourself too much damage. You always want to, when there's damage, you always want to do damage control. You always want to try and lower the risk of it happening again, or the risk of being an outbreak within the business. Okay, now in this course they help you a lot. I feel like this course is it's very nice, to be honest. It's very well made. Each video is about 2 minutes long. There are 26 modules, so there's 26 topics, and within each module there's about depends on the module it is, but in one module there can be 7 videos, 6 videos, 5 videos, even 1 video. But in every single module there is an exam question. Okay, there is exam, there is like an end topic, if you want to say that way. And end topics, you have to pass them, otherwise you will not be able to move on to the module. So don't sit there clicking through over the videos and thinking, yeah, I'm just gonna get away with it and get my certificate at the end. No, you need to at least have the fundamental idea of that module to be able to pass it. Okay, and word of warning, there is a 40 question examination right at the end of the whole entire course, it being module 6. Okay, don't just sit there thinking I'm gonna go through go through it all, not knowing anything, and I'm just gonna get my certificate. Because at the end of the day, although this is free, it's a free course, which of course also be linked in the description down below for you guys to check out. Although it's free, it is still going to be tricky if you have no absolute no knowledge in marketing or business or whatever. Okay, so be sure to go through this course thoroughly and quickly. You don't have to write notes, but just be mindful whenever you're watching it. You could do 2 modules, 3 modules a day, and how much time you have to allocate to this. Okay, now look, even I've got my certificate right on the screen right now. It's a very nice certificate, and also it's free. Okay, this whole course is free, and the certificate you get is also free, and you can also use it in your CVs. You can also use it in whatever you like. Right now in this day and age, there are jobs that are literally made for digital marketing. Companies are gonna hire you and say, listen, here is a certain amount of money per hour, or per week, or whatever the contract is. Do digital marketing, promote, not promote, but be active on our social medias, because that's the best way to, technically speaking, grow your business, is to be active on social media. Now my dad is always on my head saying, listen, be active on social media, post, retweet, interact with other YouTubers in the same in the same environment as you. Always create a presence. Okay, the presence doesn't have to be inspirational. The presence doesn't have to be very okay, we know he's there. It doesn't have to be, because you're only just starting out. But create a presence for yourself. Some presence always it's always better than no presence, because even the saying, I'd rather be late than not turn up, is true. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And genuinely speaking, this course is free. You have to do it. Okay, it's a must. If you have a business that you want to this forget about the business thing. If you have a YouTube channel you're trying to make, go and watch this course. Now look, just a little preview for you guys about this course. There is, here is a 20-second video of, one of the videos that I've just picked out from the course.
Hello. Nowadays, we're all bombarded with product choices. If you want to stay top of mind with your customers, try email marketing. Email marketing is a great addition to your other digital marketing activities. Why? It builds customer loyalty and engagement without breaking the bank.
Also, in the module section, which will be showing on the screen right now, it also tells you how long approximately the module should take, or the topic should take for you guys to finish it, which is very, very nice as well. It's it's a way to kind of inform you guys, because I know, for example, when you're reading a book and you're about like halfway through or whatever, like you're close to the end, you're about 100 pages into like a 125 book, you want to see how long you got left, but it's a way to kind of kill that, to kind of save you time and to kind of make it more efficient as well. But look, I hope you guys did enjoy this review. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm currently working on a programming course that I'm taking on Coursera. So when I'm done with that, you guys will be the first to get reviews on the course. Currently, I am really, really liking it. It's very, very productive. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Have a good day.